Do you want to know how you can check or view your game's history on Unibet? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check or view your game history. So go ahead and open unibet.co.uk on your browser and make sure that you are logged into your account. The next step is to click on this option over here, which is called your profile, and click on account on the right hand side of your screen. The next step is to click on history. As you click on this plus sign, these three options will open up, which shows your transactions, my bets and my racing bets. So you can go ahead and click on these and you can see that this is your game history. You can go ahead and individually click on these and then you can check your history quite easily. So guys, this is how you check or view your game's history on Unibet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.